And I think this is the closest I will ever get to becoming a pilot. Now, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, our valued clients, our affiliates, sister properties, SM Hotels and Convention Center executives, friends from the media, partners, caterers, sponsors, guests. Welcome to our anniversary edition of Culinaire. This year's Culinaire special as we take you to a flight of flavors, celebrating 10 years of the SMX Convention Center from the time it first took its first flight in 2007. The SMX Convention Center has grown into 7 convention centers and trade halls in key cities across the Philippines. We have SMX Convention Center Manila, where we are now, SMX Convention Center in Ora, SMX Convention Center in Davao, Bacolod, we have Mega Trade Hall, we have Cebu Trade Hall, and we have Sky Hall at the beautiful SM Seaside Cebu Mall. With its modern facilities and amenities matched with distinctive, professional, and personalized service, SMX has become the premier venue for local and international meeting, conventions, and exhibitions, social and also for corporate events. We have successfully hosted some of the largest trade events in the country, such as the Manila Fame, Manila Food and Beverage Expo, Manila International Book Fair, Manufacturing Technology, Travel Madness, World Travel Expo, and among a lot of other events. As well as we have also hosted some of the international events and conferences, including Asia Pop Comic Con, our Madrid Fusion, Manila, and our Miss Universe 2016 Gala Dinner, Philippine Dental Association, the Philippine College of Physicians, and ToyCon, and this is just to name a few. Okay, now tonight, we would like to celebrate 10 for 10. And we're celebrating our top 10 reasons. Starting with number 1, Mega Trade Hall, meeting room and hall renovation coming up in a couple of months. Number 2, SMX Convention Center Manila, meeting room renovations. We managed to renovate all our meeting rooms. On the screen, you will see our before and after. Our caterers celebrating 10 years with us. We have 3 caterers celebrating 10 years with us. We have at Burgos, we have Tamayo, and we have Via Mari. Big round of applause for them, please. Thank you very much for being here with us. Number 4, new caterers joining us this year. We have Kitchen City, we have M Catering, and we have Manila Catering. Let's welcome them all into the family. Number 5, we are launching our new SMX website by the end of the month. Number 6, new additional properties to look forward to. We're planning our SMX Convention Center in Cebu and our SMX Convention Center in Clark. Number 7, Sky Hall Seaside Cebu be present in Davao 5 years already. Number 9, Mega Trade Hall 25th anniversary. The Pioneer was found since 1992.
And number 10.
And last but not least, SMX Convention Center Manila, celebrating its 10 years anniversary this coming November. Big round of applause. 10 years. With these, we would like to show you our continued commitment to give you premier SMX Convention Center and Trade Hall venues and experience together with our partner caterers who have created a wonderful culinary journey for us to enjoy this evening. On behalf of the entire SMX team, I want to thank you all for making this event possible and celebrating 10 wonderful years with us. Thank you for taking this flight with us, and I hope that you enjoy the rest of your flight. Thank you and welcome on board. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. At this point, I would like to call on stage Ms. Peggy Angeles, our Executive Vice President, and Ms. Agnes Passes, our Vice President for Sales and Marketing, Ms. Hurley, our Branch Manager for Cebu, also Ms. Daphne, our Branch Manager for Davao, and Mr. Ferdy Develan, our Branch Manager for Mega Trade Hall. Please join me on stage.
Where's the rest? Kakat ng cake.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's now mark the 10th year of SMX with a celebratory birthday cake.
Picture. Okay, ma'am, here. Please, sir. Eyes here. One more. Okay. And blow the candle.
Blow the candle.
You may blow the candle, sir. Wait, lang, smart. Blow the candle. Yeah.
Happy birthday. Where's the real cake?
And champagne go. Ready? Okay.
Let's all cheer for SMX and beer.
Go fountain.
And a fountain.
Happy 10th year SMX.
Okay, raise your glasses, everyone.
Thank you very much, Mr. Cake, and to